Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to remove a business account from Instagram. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, open up the Instagram app. And once done, go ahead and straight up go to your profile. Okay. Once you're on your profile, you can now go ahead and go to the top right, tap on the three horizontal lines. And then in here, you can go ahead and scroll down and find business tools and controls. Okay. Tap on it. And then in here, before we continue, I would like for you to know that you cannot remove your business account, but you can only change, right? You can only change to a personal account or a creator account. So to do that, go ahead and find, scroll down, switch account type, tap on it. And then in here, as you can see, you can go ahead and switch to personal account or a creator account. As mine right here is already set up to a professional or business account. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and choose personal account. Tap on it and just tap on switch to personal account. Wait for it to load. And then once done, it says here switch to personal account. When you go ahead and check your profile, as you can see, the professional dashboard is now gone. That is it. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.